can't slide, you can't drive. Yeah. That's it.
That's dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Sean back with another episode of TooFast TV. We're gonna be all over the place today. I know it is what it is, but we're gonna start off with an install on this Benzo. It looks foine as hell, and it's about to look more foiner. But before we get into this episode, make sure that you follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at TooFast TV, and make sure you hit us up online at www.toofastinc.ca. Let's go! Sir, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir. You made a mess, sir.
I'm cleaning up. That's why it's kicked over there. Oh, we're
better.
playing soccer. You want to play soccer?
Yeah, with your head? Did you know that's how soccer was invented?
How was it invented?
In medieval times or whatever?
Yeah.
Then they chopped off the head and they started kicking around the head. That's how the sport of soccer was actually invented.
I don't think that's factual.
That's actually fact, fam.
No,
Yeah, bro.
there's no chance.
Liar.
So this is the before. Don't forget it, because then we're going to show you the after.
Out like that. Out like a
Weston
light.
with the power tools. Ricardo was trying to finesse it, bro. This guy just came in, he's like, I'll just drill it out.
Fuck it up, hold up.
Putting it all back together.
Piecing this, yeah. Where did these sensors go?
Sensors, who needs those? Use your eyes. Have you ever noticed with all the new technology in these cars, people just drive a lot worse? Because they depend on it. Yeah.
That's why, yeah.
I mean, at least they left slots for everything, like where it's actually
Somewhat,
supposed to go.
yeah.
A lot of the stuff I see you guys install, it's like you're having to drill holes in or just like, you know,
That's it.
tack it all together.
Tack it all together.
If it doesn't fit, make it.
You have a lot of patience, my friend.
Alright. Sometimes.
Sometimes. How's his patience? He's good?
What's his patience? There's no such thing.
This isn't my vocabulary, bro. Putting Chinese clips in a German car. It's like, it's not gonna clip it.
Real talk though. So the C43 is done. The diffuser with muffler tip
Just the tip.
install is all completed. It looks really good. And let's bring this back to the customer.
So it has the front port. Yeah, exactly. So those are for compressors. You're running a single compressor, so the other two we're gonna have to block them off. It's if you want to run triple compressor.
Triple compressor, and then one goes to this.
Yeah, so this one will be, this here is the control module.
Yeah, yeah.
One of them will enter into...
Into the closest one, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, you'll have that one.
Yeah.
So you'll probably plug two of them. Two of them will have to plug.
Yeah.
You get the filter there. This one is exhaust, so that just, I think you ventilate that.
That's the
Oh yeah.
We can run that line outside so it sounds louder.
No, the relay, everything we have already ran, so right? Relay is all done.
Relay's all done. Yeah, there's a relay underneath here,
Okay,
and
there
there's a
you
relay
go.
in the trunk and
Now,
the hood.
do we want to show the module? Yeah, we should show the module. It'll look good. We're gonna send someone to go get rubber grommets. We're gonna have 4 rubber grommets that are perfect size for that line.
Okay.
You know, so we
Yeah.
drill to the rubber grommet, put the grommet in, and then the line.
Okay.
So it doesn't just look like a random hole.
A random
you have a
hole.
rubber grommet
Yeah.
in there. You see how there's lines, right? You see how the connection? We
Yeah.
don't want to drill at the connection. We want to drill in the center of the hardwood.
Of the hardwood?
You know what I'm saying? You don't want to drill like on the lines. You want to drill like here in the
Yeah,
middle.
here, yeah. Oh, you mean like where it connects? Yeah.
It's on fire, man. On fire. All right, let's get this done then, man.
Just mocking it up here.
Trying to figure out where everything's going. You already got the holes drilled.
Yeah, that's where the compressor. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. So like this, I had to drill through the liner to see where I'm gonna put the airline fan.
Alright, so man like Wes finished the car already. And I didn't even get to see it. Customers coming to pick it up. So I got the keys. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product because, you know, pop the trunk. Alright, before I show you guys this, I gotta say Wes did a pretty good job. It looks really clean. So, yo, let's just run some B-roll with some music.
That's my bad boy.
TooFast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Gang-ish.
So high off this rubber. Your laughter gets every time.
You can't slide, you can't drive. It is what it is. Hey, yo, Wes.
You're gonna use these rivets?
Yeah, I have to. Okay, let me keep warm.
I've been really trying.